Alright, so we are here at the Hilton Vancouver Airport in Richmond, British Columbia, a little ways away from the airport. We're going to take a look at a King Junior Suite. This is room 1707. Start with the door. So of course you got your usual fire map, safety information, peephole. Over here in the locks department we have the bolt. And then we have, of course, the latch. And then, of course, the do not disturb and whatnot. This switch will turn on a light in the hallway. Here in the living room, we have a couch, a chair, a few lamps, and a couple tables. Over here, we have a really nice big screen TV. You have your work desk, also with a lamp, a phone, and the room service menu. And over here, starting from top to bottom, we have a shelf with storage, which my backpack and camera bag are currently demonstrating. Your ice bucket, coffee and cups. Down here, we have a mini fridge. And then continuing back into the hallway, so this is the light that will be turned on with the switch over by the door. We have a very big closet. With a shelf up above that has your safe, some pillows, and storage. Ironing board. And then of course a luggage rack and storage down below. Also there is a switch here that will turn this light on and off as well, so options. Coming into the bathroom, you've got a makeup mirror, hair dryer, of course your bathroom light switch, a very big mirror with lights around it. Hello. Counter space, you got your sink, and as you can see, plenty of storage. And then over here you got your soap, and then plenty of washcloths. Kleenex is behind. And then soap, shampoo, conditioner, body lotion. Above that, towels. You got the throne down here in the middle. Next to the throne on the bottom shelf, we have more towels. Behind the door is the shower. As you can see, very big walk-in shower with a rainfall shower head. And there are some hooks above the door as well. Coming into the bedroom. I apologize about the bed. I was laying on that a bit earlier, so. Have a nightstand with a lamp, some room for storage below. Across from the bed, you have another desk with a little stool, some drawers. And then above that is the TV. Again, hello. There are some plugs over here in the corner if needed. And then of course our window, looking out at the city. This is the 17th floor, so pretty decent view. And then also looking down, you can see the pool below. And then over here, you got your other nightstand with the phone. And this has been a look at a King Junior Suite at the Hilton Vancouver Airport. As always, if you like the content, be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe below. And don't forget to ring the bell to stay up to date with all of my latest adventures. And until next time, this is Matt signing off. Have a good one.